silent mode. Yeah, so sorry for the inconvenience. I placed my mobile in silent now. So good morning all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based small shop. Today I have 3 other collections. One saree again which I'm going to show is an offer now. So today I'll move with the saree collections now. Okay. So this is saree set number 1. It's a Banarasi cotton. The fabric is the Banarasi cotton and the woven style is brocade style. So hope you can able to see the sarees clearly. So this is set number 1. The fabric is Banarasi cotton. Okay, so the fabric is very nice. It's very soft and premium. So this is saree number 1. The woven style is brocade style. So this is how this design will be looking. All of them are woven. So it has a border with zari butta, okay, and all in the medium, in the body part is thread woven. I will show you the saree. I will open up the saree and I will show you. So this is saree set number 1. It's a yellow with green and pink combination. In this particular saree we will be having a multiple colors. So in the body part you will be having the flowers in the checked checked patterns, and in the border you have this kind of design. So in all the sarees in this particular set will have the same pattern. Okay, the design will be common but the color will be varying. So this is how the body part will be looking. So I will show you the body part in detail also. So this is how the body will be looking, and this is the pallu. So the pallu will be pink with orange combination and the border is pink for the saree, and the blouse is self blouse. This is the blouse which I am showing as the blouse piece. It's a self blouse. It will be not checked but it will be having the multiple color again with a different butta in the border. So the butta in the border will be different for the blouse piece. Okay, so this is saree set number 1. Price is 700. The fabric is very premium. It's a Banarasi cotton. Okay, this is full of weaving. I hope you can able to see. This is full of weaving. The thread weaving in the body part and the zari weaving in the border part. So the price of this particular saree is 700. This is the pallu and this is the body part. Okay, so this is set number 1. I have different colors. I will be showing you the colors now. So just a minute. So this is first color. It's a yellow and green and pink, and the second one is a green. It's the main color combination. Whatever I am saying, the color combination, the main color, it's orange based, and the second one is green based. Okay, and the third one is yellow based, and the fourth one is a pink based, pink and brown combination. So these are the 4 colors available in this particular saree. So yeah, these are the 4 colors available in the particular saree. All of them are woven. It's a brocade woven design, and the price of this particular saree is 700. The blouse piece is a self blouse with a different butta running over. So the fabric is very premium. If you want to book the saree, please take the screenshot of the saree and come up with the enquiry. Don't go with the numbers. I am not going with the numbers for the live videos. Okay, so this is first set. I move into the second set now. So this is a Kupadam styled silk cotton saree. This is orange with pink combination. This is checked pattern. It's a Kupadam style. I will open up the saree and show you. Yeah. So this is the pallu. It's full of zari woven. So it's full of zari woven, and the borders whichever is there is tissue border. The border is tissue, and the pallu fabric silk cotton, and the pallu has the zari rich pallu, designed pallu, and in the body part this is how the body will be looking. I will show you in the rotated view also. so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so in upper part you will be having the small border and the lower part will be having a big size border. So this is a tissue border. This is tissue border with pink color. So it's a Kuppadam style silk cotton saree, and this is the pallu, priced at 1100, and the shipping cost, as you all know, 60 within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. COD is also available with 100 rupees extra charges for processing. So this is saree set number 2. Okay, so I will show you, the folding is a difficult part in the saree, so I can't fold now. So this is the color combination which I am having in this particular set. So it's a light blue shaded with thick blue border, and it's light green with pink. So if there is any color difference, I will be quoting it. Okay, so and this one is yellow with pink, and the next one is pink with blue. It's not red, it's a pink with blue. Okay, so these are the 5 color combinations. It will be showing as red in the long view, but it is a pink with blue. So these are the 5 color combinations available in the saree. The price of these sarees is 1100 plus shipping charges. So it's a Kuppadam style silk cotton saree with the tissue borders. The borders as tissue. Okay, so this is set number 2 for the live show now. So I will be moving with the next one. So this is a cut work saree. This is a cut work saree. This is the only one single piece left over in this particular set piece. So this is an offer. The price of this particular saree is 1600 in offer. 16 Tamil Nadu free shipping for this saree alone. If it outside Tamil Nadu, the shipping charges is still applicable. This saree cost is 1600. The actual cost of the saree is 1850. It is an offer now. The saree cost is 1600. It's a grey color. So I will show you the cut works. Okay. This is the cut work. It has this kind of intricate detailed cut work. So this is the cut work. Hope you can able to see. So this is the fabric is Manipuri silk, Manipuri art silk. Okay, it's the plain saree with a cut work design. In the borders you have this kind of cut works. Okay, the actual price which we have quoted earlier is 1850. The only one saree is left over, so I am giving it an offer. The price of this saree is 1600, and the shipping charges within Tamil Nadu is free, and outside Tamil Nadu you have to pay 100 rupees for shipping. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. It has this kind of piping on the blouse, and the blouse will be coming with a plain thing. Okay, you have a very length blouse, so this is full of a blouse piece. It's a long blouse, so you can have any work also if you want interested. So this is the last saree for the today's show. It's a Manipuri art silk. The fabric is very soft again. So it has this kind of intricate detailed printing. The fabric color is grey color. It's a brownish grey color, which the visible is light silverish grey, but the actual color is brownish grey. So this saree price is 1600. These are the 3 collections which I have for today's show. So that's all, guys. If you are interested to buy, or if you have any enquiries, please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp number is 9150556870, which I have mentioned in the description. So resellers is also welcome. The reseller link will be shared after the live show. So that's all for today's show. Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching.